Well, back again, YouTube. Gonna be doing a little cleaning in the old shed here. And found this with a bunch of scrap pallets. I'm gonna make shelves down here to put stuff on. My shed's getting a little crowded, and I just need a little extra space to store stuff. Got all this wood that I salvaged from pallets that eventually I'm going to get another post up here, run it out that way and run this way so I have more room for the quad in there. Right now, all that scrap wood, it's going to be burned. I'm just trying to salvage what I can. There's a bunch of scrap wood there. That's for my fire pit. And, you know, of course I did a cold start on that. This one, it's, I gotta put a battery in it, but it requires one of them special batteries. And I bought a regular battery for it, because I'm not paying like $120 for a special battery when I can buy one for like $40. And what I'm going to do is either I'm going to cut out in here around to fit the bigger battery, or modify something in the back here to make a tray and run the wires up to here. And I think I'm going with the tray and up to here, because I really don't want to cut this up. You know, it's a nice old tractor, and I'm trying to see the serial number on it, but I do believe its make is right there. It's right here. It's saying, get this to focus, it's saying 1990. So I'm assuming this is a 1990 model. So that makes it pretty old. Fires right up. The motor looks brand new still. The guy just gave it to me. You know, and I couldn't pass it up. It was for free. And of course, I gotta get the cleaning stuff up around here and getting that shed taken care of. Otherwise, not doing much. Hopefully, I can post more videos soon. I know I always have short videos, but not much going on. I did buy a GoPro, and I didn't realize you need to buy that little microphone with it to get a better sound quality. So most likely I will take that GoPro, mount it on this quad, and I'll go for a ride around both the lakes here, Crooked and 8 Point Lake. And I'll talk to you guys again later. Bye for now.